Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the exact Trello board and locating the card. This avoids deleting the wrong item. Click the list and then the card to open its detail pane. Once done, scan the right-hand side for the Card Actions menu. Make sure you can see Archive, Move, and Share. You need Archive before Delete. Trello hides Delete behind archived items. If you don't see options, check that you have permission to edit the board. You now archive the card. This step makes Delete available. Click Archive in the card menu. Trello immediately removes it from the active view but retains it in Archive. Once archived, go to Board menu More Archived Items to find it. This is where you can review before final removal. When you open the archived card, the Delete option appears. Take a moment to verify content. Once you delete, restoration is difficult unless you have backups or logs. You finish by opening the archived card and selecting Delete. Trello will prompt for confirmation because this is permanent. Confirm only if you're sure, otherwise restore from archive. If Delete isn't available, make sure you have admin privileges or ask an admin to perform it for you. If something goes wrong, check the board's activity log and your account permissions. These often reveal why actions fail. Remember, use deletions sparingly and prefer archiving when uncertain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.